So it is Sunday and we are leaving for Yellowstone National Park on Thursday. And this is the time where I am going to start getting all of the laundry done for our packing. And that way I can get the boys' things taken care of, get my things situated, and really start pulling together all of the things I'm going to need to pack for this trip. I love to get organizational packing cubes and little bags that make it easier to keep things separate and organized. And it adds a cute little touch. I also need to figure out which cosmetic bag I'm going to bring and the bags that I'm going to need for bath stuff. So I'll lay out some of the organizational things that I have, but I may eliminate some of the bigger ones if they don't fit, because this is the bag that I'm going to be traveling with. It is just a backpack, and I'll show you a little bit more. What I've also done is included my most recent patches from Alaska, and I really wish that I ended up getting patches from every place that I visited. So eventually I plan on getting one from each location that I have traveled to. That way I can add it to the bag. But this is where I am at right now, just trying to get the organizational packing cubes. I got these ones here from my friend Barb, and she is a 31 consultant. These here I picked up at Marshall's, and they are for doing the laundry in. So if you needed to throw your things in these bags, you can just wash them straight in there. But this is where I am. I know it looks like a hot mess right now. I'm still in the process of getting all of my laundry done, but what I try to do is the pieces that I will take with me, I'll pile them right up on my chair, and that way I can sort through and eliminate some things that I don't necessarily need to take with me, but at least I have it all in one spot. I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but it's totally worth it. While I am in the process of picking out what I am going to pack in my bag, I try my best to figure what I'm going to wear on the plane. Looks like I'm going to leave my cardigan out to wear as my airplane outfit. I already got my socks, underwear, and bathing suit packed up in here, so that's ready to go. 5 days worth of things. I've doubled up on a few items, but we are good to go there. I wanted to share this with you. I got this travel blanket. It is a packable travel blanket. It folds up and fits into this cute little pouch, which you can put right on your luggage, or what I'm going to do is just put it in with my personal item, my carry-on, not the one that I put overhead, but the one that I put under the seat, because our last flight was extremely cold, even though I had a jacket on. I think this blanket is definitely going to help, so I'm really excited to take this. So I wanted to share with you the bag that I am planning on traveling with. Hopefully everything fits in here. Typically this is my go-to carry-on bag. This is the only bag that I would travel with besides my personal item, which is usually a larger tote bag. So it does have a tiny pocket here, and then it has some space in the first pocket, and it opens kind of like a little mini luggage set. So it can open this way, and it does have the straps to carry just like a backpack. So my goal is to hopefully stick with this bag because it is one of my favorite bags to travel with. I may have to take out some things, but we'll see how it goes. It's always different every time I pack. There is this clear pocket here. This is where I like to put my bath products. Anything that contains liquid, I will usually put it in here. And then most of the time I'll put my cosmetics or any other thing here, hair brushes or headbands or anything like that will go here. Any extra thing that I can put there. Again, this closes up to zip. And I will try to use packing cubes and roll each item to see if it all fits in there. And I love hats, but usually when I travel, and because I don't pack a big suitcase, I will typically just take one hat with me and buy a couple while I'm there anyways. So I'm going to go with this hat that I got from Alaska because it is just a basic black hat and it's going to go with everything. So this is going to be the only hat that I will bring with me. So I still need to get my bath and beauty things together, but right now I have hopefully everything that I'm going to need clothes wise. I will probably eliminate a couple of things. I'm going to try to utilize these packing cubes and try to see what I can fit in the bag and go ahead and start picking out my bath and beauty products to bring along. Very important that I remember to bring my travel pillow with me as well. Okay, so I've gotten my first packing cube started, and basically what I've done is I've rolled my leggings, my shorts, and my tops. So this includes 6 pairs of leggings, 3 pairs of shorts, 1 waterproof pair of pants, and I have about, I didn't count them, but I want to say 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe it's 6 muscle tanks and 4 bodysuits. You would have seen all of the tops that I laid out in the previous clip, but this is my first packing cube that I am getting started on, and that should hold all of the essentials that I'm going to wear every day. So what I'm going to do now is try to figure out a couple of the hooded sweatshirts that I have and a couple of long sleeve things. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'm taking this long sleeve here and this waterproof jacket and just folded it as flat as I could on top of the rolled leggings and tops that I have. So I went ahead and zipped up this packing cube. It is pretty full. And fortunately, I still have some space here on the sides and some space here along the front. So I'm going to work on adding a few more things. Looks like I'm only going to be able to include 1 of these packing cubes in here. So I'm going to get creative with some of the other things that I'm bringing with me. Okay, I wanted to show you, I'm going to try to add this into the bag, and what I have is I have 2 sports bras in here, so I'm actually going to put, I plan on bringing 3 sports bras with me, and then I'll put a bralette, and I have a basic bra that I'm going to also bring, the same one that I'm going to wear on the airplane. Now, reminder, we're only going to be gone for 5 days, so this should be good, and I am going to just go ahead and include this in the bag, try to shove it in here. So just wanted to show you how cute this was. All right, so it looks like it works out great where I'm able to just smash it right in there on the side. Okay, these are 2 cropped hooded sweatshirts. So as you can see, it's kind of pushing the bulk of the bag to change the shape of it, but the fabric is soft enough where I should be able to bring it back together to close and zip. I will place this on the top, and then I have my North Face vest, which this would be fine if I just set it right on top of everything once I have stuff in here. So what I still need to bring along is I have like Band-Aids, some first aid items in here. This is probably too big, so I am probably going to find a smaller bag to put the things that are in here, but let me just show you one moment. I'm just going to show you how I'll try my best to bring things just in case we are in a spot where we can't get to anything, but I'll bring Band-Aids, some alcohol pads, antibacterial wipes, Alka-Seltzer, some emergency vitamin C. I'll bring just a little container of Tylenol, Mucinex, a couple of cough drops just in case. I have fallen in love with ginger candy. It is great for anytime if you're feeling nauseous or anything like that, and just a tea bag just in case. While you're traveling, you just want to make sure that you're prepared. So right now this isn't so full, and these items are so little. I may be able to just put them in a smaller bag, and that's definitely going to help. So I still need to pack these first aid items. I have my makeup bag, which I may end up also downsizing the bag for this, but I will just bring the basics. Yes, I will bring my headband for when I put my makeup on, but I basically just bring moisturizer, which is in a travel size, a couple of rubber bands, a comb. This palette is amazing because it comes already with a bronzer, a blush, and highlighter. Although I think I did bring my favorite highlighter with me, I may be able to leave this home because this already has it and it makes one less thing to have to travel with. In this case, I only bring 2 brushes, which is the blush brush, and what I do is I will put blush here from that pack, and then I'll put that shimmer highlighter on the edge here, so I can use this brush for 2 things, and then I will bring my bronzer brush. Makeup remover wipes, eyelash curler. I will bring a mini travel size mascara, my matte oil-free coverage cream, and my bronzer, or I'm sorry, not my bronzer, my primer, and eyebrow gel. That's pretty much it. I do have nail clippers, my lip stain, and these mini tweezers, which this is the cutest tweezer set ever. That is all that I am bringing for beauty, for my face, and it should be fine. There's so much room still left in this bag. If I can fit it and bring it with me, great. If not, then I'll just put it in a smaller bag just to downsize a little bit. So I did bring, I have all of my bath things ready to go here, and just soap, shampoo, conditioner. I have lotion, face wash, toothpaste, a razor, some dental floss, my face wash, mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush. I think I said everything that is in here, deodorant, and that's all I need. I'm not bringing shaving cream because to minimize the things that I'm bringing, I can use my conditioner for shaving. So I still need to put a couple more things in the bag, and then we'll be all ready to go. Reminder, I do have a tote bag that I'm bringing, so but I try to limit what I bring in there, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so I ended up putting all of my bath things in here, and I did change out my makeup bag to this cute one from my boutique, shopnoneofyourbusiness.com, of course. And this main portion of the bag is ready to go, so it just needs to be zipped, and which I already pre-zipped it a little while ago to make sure that it does zip. I put I call these slippers, you call them flip-flops. I put those in this front pocket here. And another thing that I like to bring along is they have these portable backpacks, which I got this at Walmart, and you just open it up and it turns into a backpack. And this from Marshall's, this is a laundry bag, so it folds nicely into this little zip-up pouch, and it's great for traveling, just to keep all your dirty laundry together if you do end up having to do the laundry while you're out, or just to keep everything separate. Put my slippers in the front pouch, and now I'm ready to zip everything up. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with my first aid kit. Everything is so messy around here. I believe this tote is the tote bag that I'm going to take with me. It's my 6-pack bag from 6-Pack Fitness. Typically this area here is great for storing food or meals because you can put ice packs in here. It is insulated. I may just go ahead and keep my snacks in here or anything else, but there's so much storage in this tote. And I put some tissue, the travel blanket, and this little zip up thing here. I have some disposable face masks to take with us as well. So this is going to be the tote that I put under the seat in front of me. Cool thing is I managed to totally downsize the first aid kit into this little pack right here. So this is what I'm taking with just a few of the essentials. I'm sure if we get somewhere and we need something, we should be able to stop by and grab it from a drugstore or something, but at least we have some of the essentials that we'll need. Check out that Alka-Seltzer. You just never know. Important, I do have to make sure that I bring my thyroid medication with me, so I'll just throw those in there too. This is the book that I am going to be bringing with me, so I can also just throw this in my tote bag just to make it for easy access when we are on the flight. I have my hat here, which should be great. I could just shove it right in this bag. So just a couple more things, just like ID and, you know, a couple of smaller things that I need to put in this tote bag. But pretty much I'm good to go.